Installing the Nest Cam with Floodlight wired? Let's do it step by step, so your home gets the perfect mix of bright light and smart security. Turn off power at the breaker box to avoid electrical shock. Remove your old floodlight, if any, and check that your junction box is compatible with the Nest Cam floodlight. Make sure the box is securely mounted to a wall or eave and is rated for outdoor use. Attach the Nest Cam floodlight mounting plate to the junction box using the provided screws. Connect the ground, neutral, and live wires from your home to the floodlight wires using the included wire connectors. Ensure connections are secure and neatly tucked inside the box. Attach the floodlight fixture and camera onto the mounting plate, then turn the power back on at the breaker. Use the Google Home app to set up your Nest Cam, connect it to Wi-Fi, and adjust the floodlight settings. Test the lights and camera to confirm proper functionality. That's all it takes to install your Nest Cam with Floodlight wired. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one.